So check this out. This chrome piece came off of a 1998 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic. It was rough. Years of oxidation, dull spots, no shine left. I've been using white diamond metal polish for about 5 years now, and I swear by it. This stuff brings chrome back from the dead. I'm doing this by hand in real time. No buffing wheel, no machine, just a rag, a little polish, and some elbow grease. Watch how fast this stuff starts cutting through the haze. You can literally see that mirror finish coming back. Yeah, a machine with more power would definitely make it pop even harder. But I wanted to show the magic you can do with just 2 hands and the right product. Around here, we love chrome, and we take pride in bringing it back to life, one part at a time. If you like seeing transformations like this or want to check out our full bike teardown, follow our YouTube channel, Midwest Moto Parts 6051, and see how we keep every Harley shining again. See that? Chrome never dies. It just needs a little love and the right polish. Slick.